How to contact Behance Support. Hi guys, in this video you would learn how you can contact Behance Support. So watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Behance account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you will be brought to the page where you will see an option saying that today's work in progress, and then you see too many other projects that you can work on. Once you've seen all of this, you can see different options, right? Then the next step is to move to the lower part of the screen where you can see other options such as selling personal information, cookie preferences, and then help. Alright, so once you see this help, just click on it. Now once you click on help, you'll be redirected to Behance Help Center. So on this page, you can now decide to ask your question by typing out keywords here, and then articles that have been written on that questions will be displayed. And then you can also check out featured articles and all. And then the next step at this stage, you should just select the one that applies to you. After selecting the one that applies to you, you'll be directed to the page where you see other articles, alright, both for buyers and for sellers. And then you can now select a question one more time, and after selecting a question one more time, you'll be brought on that page again, talking about how you can process a refund. And then just follow the on-screen instructions, follow the articles displayed, and from there your issue would be resolved. So this is how you can contact Behance customer care or Behance support. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.